Yo, it's your boy Abhishek Padmanabhan, aka Young Vivekananda, over here, founder of the Income Ignition Method. I help people work from home and make much more money than they actually do at their day job. Hey, in this video, I want to share with you three easy things that you can do right now to set income goals that will manifest to increase your income. The fastest way for you to increase your income is to set income goals in a time frame. Okay, these three tips are called the 40-day income ignition blueprint, where you focus on these three steps, and it has consistently taken me from earning rupees 38,500 per month to now doing close to 2,71,000 in this month. I've covered 2,71,000 in this month, and I have another 90K coming in deals. That is going to be confirmed. So I have not added it yet, but I'm sure that's going to be closed. How do I do this? Okay, how did I do this? Look, when Jack Ma was starting Alibaba, he was 100% sure that it's going to be a tough call whether this idea is going to work or not, because in 1996 when they started, internet was very nascent. People weren't really going online because a lot of people hadn't bought computers. Number one, computers were the size of your present TV. A 39-inch TV, computers were that big, okay, and bulky. So a lot of people were not buying it, and it was expensive. But he had courage and he jumped in on it. It was 5 to 6 years before they actually started spinning a profit, after which they went public, and then things started rolling for him because he had more capital. Look, you don't want to be waiting that much time for income to come to you. You don't have to start a business from scratch. You can just be a freelancer, a highly paid freelancer, a highly paid consultant. I haven't even registered my company, and I clocked 2,68,000 per month working. Today I worked for 1 hour. That's all. That's all. Because I've been doing this for a period of time, and I brought it to a level where a lot of the things I've automated it. So it's just checking automations, checking things that are happening. Okay. So the first thing that you need for this to happen is to have a bar that is a little higher than what you're doing right now. So you need to increase your standard a little bit. You need to increase your standard from what you're earning right now to maybe about 50 to 70K more. So pick a number. If you're doing 50K right now, say that I want to do 1,20,000. I want to work up to 1,20,000. Pick that goal. Pick that goal. Step number two is get the skills needed. Get the high income ignition skills needed for you to then work with more people other than the people that you're working with right now to earn more money. Look, you right now have 10 hours in a day. Somebody's paying you money to give them 10 hours of your day. If you just set this guy aside, because if you set this guy aside and say, I have 10 hours a day, I can work with 5 people who are willing to pay me 40K each. That's 2 lakhs. You're earning 40K at your day job right now. Okay, you crack one client, you added another extra 40K. You crack another client, you add another extra 40K. And the income ignition skills are very important for this. The income ignition skills are building lists of businesses you can contact, 1 to 10 employee businesses you can contact. Number two, it is offering them a specific skill that they will pay you money for. Okay, and number three, it is closing on a video call. You just need to get a little bit better at these skills than other people. Like a 1% to 3% improvements every month will keep adding to your front line. So that is tip number two for you to actually reach your income goal. Tip number three, and the final tip, is this. Okay, you have to set two types of goals. Okay, you have to set two types of goals. The first goal is the big goal. I want to make 1,20,000 the next month. By the end of this month, 1,20,000 have a total of 1,20,000 should have hit my account through the month. Big goal. And this is your 40-day goal. I suggest don't do 30-day, set a 40-day goal. It's a little more than a 30-day, and it gives you a little more time for you to work towards it. So 40-day goal. In this 40-day goal, what you're going to do is you're going to tell yourself, okay, if I have to earn another extra 70,000 rupees, that means I have to close 3 deals worth at least 35K each. That means I have to send out at least about contact about 400 to 500 businesses over a period of 14 days, so that in the next 14 days I will get appointments to close them. Now, in these 14 days, if I have to message 400 people, 400 divided by 14. 400 divided by 14. 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2. No, wait. Hey, please. Yeah, you know. One sec. I'm doing my math right now. 400 divided by 14 equal to. Okay, that is sending out 28 messages per day to businesses. So your monthly target is 1,20,000, but your daily target is sending out 28 messages, and then you have to commit to sending out 28 messages. So figuring out your major goal and then figuring out your minor actions on a daily basis will help you get to your goal. Look, I hope this is helpful to you. I hope this is valuable to you, and I want you to succeed and win and understand that you hold the creation of wealth in your hands. Nobody else holds it. You control it. And I want that for you. Let's go.